They say it takes a lot to build a MasterCraft. What it really takes is obsession, time, precision, and a refusal to ever call good enough good enough. The expectation is simple. If it isn't better than what came before it, it doesn't get built. This is where that expectation becomes a reality. Before a single hull takes shape, it starts with one question. What should the next evolution feel like? Not look like, feel like. Because anyone can design something pretty, but we design with purpose, where form and function come together in ways that haven't been imagined yet. Our design team interrogates every angle, material, and user interaction. Ergonomics, efficiency, durability, storage logic, performance, usability. Nothing escapes scrutiny. From here, engineering turns ideas into proof. This is where concepts earn credibility. Prototypes aren't just good starts. They're stress-tested until failure, then refined and rebuilt stronger. Because built to last isn't a slogan, it's a requirement. Even our wakes and waves go through trial by water, measured, tested, retested. By naval architects, by athletes, by the people who know what perfection looks like and what it doesn't. And when the lab data's done, we take it offshore. Because when a boat claims best-in-class performance, it has to be proven in real water, real weather, real variables. That includes 5-foot swell off the South Florida coast, saltwater spray, pure chaos. If it can withstand that, lake life is effortless. Then we build it. It starts with fiberglass and a crew who knows how to make it take shape. A crew who knows that consistency is non-negotiable. Thickness, curing, reinforcement, all layered with accuracy, all dialed to resist fatigue and maintain its integrity over decades of use. This attention to detail creates a hull that's built to feel solid because it is. We tape it, spray it, spin it, roll it, cap it, and move it. This is where the boat stops being a structure and becomes a system. There are more award-winning and patented components going onto these boats than most people ever see, and none of them work in isolation. SurfStar isn't added, it's integrated, installed, aligned, and tuned to respond instantly because small adjustments here change everything out there. Then comes the power. Ilmore engineered propulsion proven in the most demanding environments, installed and calibrated specifically for this hull. The team handling this stage knows these systems inside and out. They don't follow instructions, they anticipate outcomes. When a driver feels confidence at the helm, or a rider feels consistency behind the boat, that's the result of perfect execution right here. Inside the boat, craftsmanship takes over. Upholstery isn't about decoration, it's about longevity, comfort, and finish. Every stitch, every foam contour, every seam is placed with intention. Skilled hands shape materials built to hold up under heat, sunscreen, moisture, and constant use. The goal isn't luxury for showroom day, it's durability that still looks and feels premium season after season. And reliability, it doesn't happen by accident. Electrical and audio systems are assembled with a clarity most owners will never see but will absolutely experience. Every wire is routed, labeled, anchored, and protected before it ever powers a single system. Clean, organized, bulletproof. And when it comes to sound, loud isn't the goal. Clarity is. Every tower speaker, every sub, engineered and tuned to translate music cleanly while underway so it sounds just as good at 25 miles per hour as it does sitting still. Balanced, bold, and exactly what you expect from a brand of this caliber. Now the helm, where tech meets instinct. Screens are installed, calibrated, and tested repeatedly. User interface, visibility, responsiveness. Tightened until it feels intuitive and immediate. A MasterCraft helm should feel like part of the driver, not a system they're constantly trying to manage. You touch it, it works. because behind every effortless moment on the water is 1,000 deliberate ones here. Windshields, towers, flooring, hardware. Everything is assembled with alignment and function in mind. Panels fit flush, hinges operate quietly, components look intentional because they are. Every joint, every seam, every panel is scrutinized, and it's all built to survive abuse. The goal is simple: remove friction, elevate usage, and build a boat that feels right. The work doesn't end with the boat. We build our own trailers in-house, and each trailer is custom fit to the hull it carries. Only when every detail checks out does the boat leave the line for its on-water validation. This is not a ceremonial lap. It's where performance has to show up. A full 90-minute evaluation, run deliberately, run repeatedly. Every speed, every ballast configuration. Left, right, and everything in between. Handling, surf, acceleration, ballast, electronics, ergonomics. All verified one more time in real conditions. If something needs refining, it goes back. No apology, no compromise. When it passes, that's when it earns its stamp of approval, the name that has shaped thousands of lives. Then, and only then, does a MasterCraft head to its dealer. Because a MasterCraft isn't defined by the moment it ships. It's defined by the years that follow. Over 300 hands have touched this boat as it leaves the factory and heads to its own. Hands that have built thousands of boats. Hands that carry a few calluses and stories. Hands that know exactly what it means when the badge says MasterCraft. We don't build fast, we build right. And that's what it takes.